Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about 10 bad habits that can destroy you. These habits can affect your physical and mental health, relationships, career, and overall well-being. It's important to recognize these habits and take the necessary steps to overcome them. So let's get started. Procrastination. Procrastination can be one of the most destructive habits to have. Putting things off can lead to missed opportunities and increased stress. Instead, try breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and set achievable goals. Poor diet. Eating unhealthy foods can lead to weight gain, increased risk of disease, and decreased energy levels. Try incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet and limit processed foods. Lack of exercise. Exercise is essential for maintaining physical health, reducing stress, and improving mood. If you struggle to find time for exercise, try incorporating it into your daily routine, such as taking a walk during your lunch break. Sleep deprivation. Sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to increased stress, decreased concentration, and a weakened immune system. Try to establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Smoking. Smoking is a highly addictive and destructive habit that can lead to serious health problems such as lung cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Seek help to quit smoking and improve your overall health. Drinking too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to liver disease, high blood pressure, and an increased risk of cancer. It's important to drink in moderation and seek help if you struggle with alcohol addiction. Negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can lead to low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. Try practicing positive self-talk and focusing on your strengths rather than your weaknesses. Procrastinating on health screenings. Delaying health screenings can lead to missed opportunities for early detection and treatment of health problems. Don't put off scheduling your regular checkups and screenings. Spending too much time on social media. Spending excessive amounts of time on social media can lead to feelings of isolation, anxiety, and depression. Try limiting your social media use and finding other ways to connect with friends and family. Avoiding change. Avoiding change can lead to missed opportunities for personal and professional growth. Embrace change and take risks to reach your full potential. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on 10 bad habits that can destroy you. It's important to recognize these habits and take the necessary steps to overcome them. If you have any habits that you're working to overcome, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. On Facebook, like the page. Thank you.